So what's up guys, I hope you all are doing good and safe. Actually I was bored of eating oats man every day, the same food with fruits, and currently I'm on the bulking plan, so I have to eat a lot of food. So I thought why not try something new. So I came up with this recipe and this was quite helpful. I liked it, so that's the reason why I thought why not share it with you guys. Just a second, let me get the camera more closer. Yeah, this is better. So in this video I will be sharing with you how to make pancakes. Perfect. So now let's not waste any more time, let's get into the recipe. So the ingredients required to make this recipe are very simple. You need 30 gram of oats, 2 large eggs, do ande, and then 1 large ripe banana, 3 to 4 strawberries. This is optional, I added because I like strawberries, and then 1 scoop of whey protein. Now if you do not have whey protein, that is completely fine. I added because I want to complete my protein intake for the day. If you do not have it, that is completely fine, you need not worry about it. 1 scoop of whey protein. I usually use strawberry flavored whey protein. My brother has vanilla, so if I feel like eating vanilla flavored pancakes, I add the vanilla whey protein. And then vanilla essence. This is also optional, but it gives a good aroma and taste to the pancakes. You can also add there's one more ingredient, what's that, baking powder, sorry. You can add baking powder, but it is not necessary. Okay, so these were the ingredients. Now let's dive into the procedure to make these. So first we measure out 30 gram of oats on a weighing machine. If you do not have a weighing machine, you can use 3 tablespoons of oats, which is equal to 30 gram. Add oats into the mixture and grind it well. Now the reason why I told you to add oats first into the grinder, so that we get fine particles out of those oats and there are no big particles left. This usually happens if we add it later, so that's the reason why you should add oats first. Once that is done, add 2 whole eggs. Okay, break it and put whole eggs into it. 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence to the mixture and grind it well so that the paste is fine. Okay, once this is done, chop 1 banana, add it into it, 2 to 3 strawberries to the mixture and grind it well so that the paste is again fine. This is done, so your paste is ready here. Now you just need to heat a non-stick pan. If you do not have a non-stick pan, your pancakes might stick to the pan, so it is suggested or recommended to have a non-stick pan. 1 tablespoon of olive oil or coconut oil. So guys, if you want one big pancake, you can add the whole mixture onto the pan, but if you want 3 or 4 pancakes, or if you want to take a picture for Instagram, then you can add the mixture 3 to 4 times on the pan, and then keep the flame low and let the pancakes cook for 2 to 3 minutes until they are brown. Now the pancakes are ready. You can add some honey to it, and you can also add chocolate syrup, but then I do not add chocolate syrup because this increases the calories, and any which ways the pancakes are sweet, so adding additional sweet on top of sweet does not taste good. So that's the reason why I do not add chocolate syrup, but then that's completely your call. If you want to add chocolate syrup, you can do that. And enjoy the pancakes. If you liked this video, make sure you drop a like. If you like such kind of content, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we upload such kind of content every week. Last week I had uploaded a video on making oats shake, especially for people who are not using whey protein. Okay, you can check that video. I will link it in the description and on the cards above. And I had also made a video on how did I get a job, what courses did I do after completing my engineering. So if you are in touch with any student or any engineer who's looking out for jobs, you can share that video with them. Might serve as a help during these difficult COVID times, and he might get a job out of it. If you have stayed till the end of the video, I really appreciate your time in watching my videos. Your time is highly appreciated. And while you wait for the next week's video, make sure you check these 2 videos out. And on the same note, I will be signing off, and I will talk to you guys in the next vlog. Till then, stay safe, take care, much love, God bless you all.